and into the wall.
Hang on to it here, man. Hold the brake.
Oh, the 19 of Austin Cindric hard into the wall.
Looked like Chase Briscoe got into the back of the 18 of Noah Gragson.
Wow. Right there, just an awkward push from the 29 truck of Briscoe into Gragson. And these guys scatter from there.
The track gets blocked.
You hit that grass over there, it tears the nose off the truck. Look at that wreck. They're still wrecking late into it.
Down in the grass.
Right in front of Chase. Chase is on the 18, one in front of you. Easy up. Go low, go low, go low. Back it down, back it down, back it down.
Just needed a couple of feet, Phil, and he's through on the inside.
Yeah.
How about this time from the 24 of Scott Lagasse Jr.? Watch it.
Inside only. Get on their door inside. Inside only. You have more help coming here. Go on, check up, check up, check up, check up. Stay at the top. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Watch the silver ground. Get on the brake, get on the brake, get on the brake. Clear down.
He could have escaped without any damage, Phil.
Yeah,
just
very
sort of
minor contact there, it looked like.
slid through.